Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, unplug the Series X and wait to discharge. Strap on an anti-static wrist strap so you do not risk board damage. Remove the rubber feet and keep them labeled, then use a flat pry to release the rear clips while pressing the release tab. This is the only way to free the outer shell safely. Once the shell lifts, slide it straight up and off. Make sure to store screws by size so reassembly is painless. Once the outer shell is off, use the Torx drivers to remove the screws holding the metal heat shield. Keep each screw with its original hole. Lift the shield carefully. You'll see cable connectors. Unplug them straight out, not at an angle, so you avoid tearing flex cables. Next, unscrew the fan housing and pull the fan assembly free. You need full access to the heatsink fins. If debris clings, use compressed air bursts at a shallow angle to push dust out. With the fan and heatsink exposed, brush loose dust, then use 30 to 40 psi compressed air in short bursts. Avoid spinning the fan with continuous blasts. Reinstall the fan, reconnect cables, then seat the metal shield and Torx screws evenly, following your labeled groups. Plug in and power on before snapping the outer shell fully to confirm fans spin and the console posts. If it fails to boot, receipt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.